Hello guys, welcome back to weekly test vlogs. I do apologise for not doing a video. I have got some new devices in. It's only a small device, a small system, but I'll show you it in a minute. So yeah, I do apologise for not doing a video. But yeah, we're back now. We're going to do some weekly tests on my new system that I've just put in not long ago. So yeah, we're going to start with this one, which is an Apollo Series 65 smoke detector. Obviously it's done up with the battery there. As you can see, the wire that's going up to the Roshni sounder there. So we are going to be testing that. So then, yeah, and then we've also obviously, if I come through here, obviously I'm in my flat. We've got this here, but this isn't mine, this is the building's, but this is mine here. This here. We've also got, oh by the way, this is a gent. Or yeah, issue, whatever you call it. This ain't mine neither. This is the building's. So I can't test that for you today, guys. So yeah. Anyway, we're going to test mine. And we'll test the smoke alarm here. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel and not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And hit the like for more weekly tests. And I might even get some new devices in. So yeah, let's go and test this one first. Let's go and get this one out of the way. So yeah guys, let's just go and test this smoke alarm in here. That's working fine. I did just do it before and I wasn't filming. Silly me. So yeah, we're going to test this. We're going to test my Apollo Series 65. And obviously you'll hear the Roshni. So yeah, let's do it now. To turn it off, I have to untighten it. That should be enough. There you go, there's the ooh. Just it might be a bit loud. Yeah, here we go. So all you have to do is do this. Okay, will it go off again? No, it looks like it's not going off again. There we go, it's not going to go off again now. Come on, focus. So yeah guys, if you did like this short weekly test, we are filming on Monday the 29th, so we'll next do a test on the 5th. And if I can guys, I'll try and film a test of the buildings as well for you. I can't make any promises, but I'll try. So anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, if you like that little test of my Polo 65 series, Series 65 and the Roshni rope sounder, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.